This video was sponsored by Filmora. Yo, what up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can make this really awesome overlay for your vertical videos. Now I know I made a video about this before, but this one, as you can see, it looks way more advanced and way more cooler. So without being said, let's get started. Okay, so today I'm going to be using Photoshop Touch. The link will be down in the description below. If you guys don't already have this app, go ahead and download it, install it, and open it up. And on an empty project, import a table background. Go for on Google and just search table background, and they will pop hundreds of thousands of backgrounds like these. Then import an image of your very own smartphone, just like this, laying on the table. Once that's done, go ahead and just type in on that button, then hit on that button again and hit on flatten. What will that do? It will make all the layers just compose into only one layer, which we actually need to do that. Then go to the marquee selection tool, hit on that plus button right there, and then if you want to show the pointer, go ahead and do so. I really recommend it as it makes you very accurate with your selection. But if you want to use your fingers, go ahead and do so. Just make sure that you select your screen very accurately, as accurate as possible. Then hit on that button and hit on clear, just like this. So that removes the section where your screen used to be, and then go ahead and just save it. And then hit on that button right there, hit save to gallery, change the format from JPEG to PNG, that's really important. And then go ahead and just type in on the image that we created and save it to your gallery. Alright, now let's go ahead and move on to KineMaster, which is this app right over here. If you guys don't have it, the link will be down in the description below. I've already added my very own vertical video that I want to add the effect to. Now go ahead and hit on that media button, and just like this, we just imported the image that we made on Photoshop Touch. Make sure you go ahead and stretch that layer until it reaches the end of the video, and then go ahead and hit on that split screen options and hit on the full screen split option, just like this. And then hit on the vertical video layer, hit on the zoom option, and then go ahead and just pinch it in, and just make sure that you kind of fit it into that box, which is your screen. Something like this. Make sure that it fits perfectly so there will be no issues. And now if you play the video back, you will see that the effect is already on, and it's really up to you guys if you would like to add more things into the screen. For example, I'm going to be adding a watermark, which you can go ahead and do so using the text tool. You can change the font pretty easily and put it in one of the corners of the screen, and that's it. We just created a watermark. That's if you guys would like to do so. And if you play the video, you will end up with results like this. Now this looks really dope, and a lot of people use this effect because it covers those really ugly black bars, and if you see the before and after, it's such an amazing effect. Also, you can actually go ahead and do this effect on Android just like I showed you pretty easily. A lot of people actually use PC to do this thing, which brings us to today's sponsor, Filmora. Filmora is such a powerful video editing software that you can use on PC. If you are trying to edit a video on PC, Filmora is definitely the way to go. When I was such a beginner, I used Filmora, and the friendly UI really helped me to get my video editing skills kicking, because the friendly UI helps you to find everything right there, from transitions, motion graphics, sound effects, and chroma keying. All the advanced things are actually right there. So if you are trying to begin and start editing your videos on PC, definitely go ahead and check out Filmora, because it's honestly one of the most advanced video editors. And I also made a lot of friends here on YouTube, and I was surprised how many of them used Filmora as a video editor when they were starting. Not to mention, Filmora is for free, so make sure you go ahead to the link in the description below and download Filmora and start using it today. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy this one. If you did, give this video a like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.